Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Thando Mbama and welcome to a space of home decor, inspiration and DIY. So in today's video guys, I have a home decor haul, just a small haul for you guys because I did go and purchase some items for my house. And yeah guys, like I'm honestly really tired to decorate or do more of like home stuff, but I do try. I do try. So I just want to show you a little bit that I got. I got these stuff from Pep Home and Mr. Price Home. So let's get into the video. I'm so excited. So we're going to start with this vase, guys. This vase this is from Pep Home, and I got this for 21 Rand 99. Sorry, I really love this because I wanted something different for my home, and I really wanted to start using dried plants because I really have an obsession for dried plants at the moment. I really wanted to put like something here, and I still have an idea, still have a vision for this, but I haven't yet used it. So I'm really excited to start using this vase. I got this at Pep Home for 21 Rand 99. And while we are still on Pep Home guys, I wanted crockery, so I got this set. I actually got three of the big dishes, three of the big plates, the side plates and the bowls. So I got these at Pep Home as well, and I'm just gonna start with the vase. The vase was 16 Rand 99, so it was basically 17 Rand, which I think is really affordable. And this color guys is really gorgeous. I love it. I wanted something different. I've been seeing some other crockery on Instagram and I love it. So I haven't really seen that type at Pep Home. So when I saw this, I was like, you know what, I've been wanting this for a really long time. Let me just grab it before anyone else does or before it gets sold out. So I just got these, and I got these while it was still Christmas season, so it really looked lovely with our Christmas decor and our table setup and everything. It looked gorgeous, so I really love these. Yeah, so this is 16 Rand 99 as I said. And guys, like my breath, like I get so tired easily. Like I'm right at the end of my pregnancy, so I'm really tired. So I lose breath sometimes when I talk a lot, so I'll just stop and pause now and then, so please excuse me for that. And yeah, let's move on. And then we got a side plate. The side plate was 14 Rand 99. Hope you can see that. The side plate was 14 Rand 99, and it's also very lovely for like decor aspects, and I love the color as well, as I said. And the last one is this plate that goes with everything. I got this plate for 21 Rand 99, which I think everything is still really affordable because this set is less than 100 Rand. Because this set right here is less than 100 Rands guys. So I was really happy to get this, and for me getting three of each was really affordable. And honestly, I did make research. I did go check out different prices. I went at Mr. Price Home, and honestly I love the crockery there. It's just that the price is just on a hike, you know. So I wasn't prepared to pay that much, especially since I do have dishes at home. Like I have about 3 sets of crockery and they're all white. So that's the reason why I went and bought a different color, which is green. I still want to expand the colors in my kitchen cupboard though, because I feel like it's too bland. I love the white. The white is elegant, it's clean. But I mean, you know, man, we're moving with the times, and I really love different colors now, so I really want to add different colors. And I have this from Mr. Price Home. I really love this buy guys. I really love this buy because I'll show you a picture of, I was making research and I wanted a face planter, right? And Guys, face planters are really expensive, so I saw this one at Mr. Price Home and I was sold. I was like, this is it for a start. You know, I still want to buy other ones. This is an indoor face planter and I really love how it looks. Voila. So this is how it looks. I would have loved if it was white. I still love the color. I think it goes well with this green for some reason. So I really love it, and this planter was 79 rand 99. It's actually really affordable, really affordable for Mr. Price, because I thought they would have made it like maybe 150 or something. So this is really affordable. It's concrete, of course, and yeah, it's a face, guys. It's like one of those what's this, Easter Island faces. Yeah, from, if you know what Easter Island is, they have faces similar to this. So this is on trend right now and I really love how it looks. I really love how it's going to transform my house, and honestly I'm not complaining about the color, even though I wished it was white, but I can still repaint it. That's the absolute amazing thing. That's the most amazing thing about home decor, is like you can change colors, you can redo everything and make it exactly how you want it, as long as you have it. So I have this face planter, and yeah, I'm just gonna see where I put it. I honestly don't want to put plant inside of here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I think I'm gonna put something small. Let me see. I think I am gonna put something really small, like this, you know. This looks really nice. It looks like a hairdo, you know, for this face, but I think it looks really gorgeous. And yeah, I really love how it looks. So these are all the things that I purchased. As I did say that my haul is going to be a really small one. It's going to be short. So I purchased these things at Mr. Price Home and Pep Home, and they're really affordable. They didn't cost me more than 300 rands. I actually spent about 279 rand to 300 rand exactly. So yeah, I didn't spend more than 300 rands, guys, for these items that I have with me, and I'm really satisfied with everything and how everything is gonna look when I finally get to decorate. I'm really excited. So guys, Pep Home is a plug. Don't forget to go to Pep Home every time you go shopping. Even though you're going to window shop or anything, just take a picture. If there's anything that inspires you, Mr. Price Home and everything, and buy it when you have a chance, because these things go out fast and you never see them again. That's the most disturbing things about home decor. So another one of my items that I didn't buy from Pep Home or Mr. Price Home, I just got it from a random shop actually, is this spray paint. This is gold. I got this, actually this was 40 rand, but I managed to get a bargain price of 35 rands, because they had opened it before, and as you can see, someone sprayed it. So I was like, no ways, I'm not buying something that's been used before, and it's still full. So I got a great price for this spray paint. And yeah, this is what I'm going to use for one of the DIYs that I have been planning to do. So this is a rich pale gold. This is a rich pale gold, and I've actually spray painted one of my DIYs that I did a long time ago. This is a gold statue that I made out of straws. This is what's this thing called? Those white things that come with like a fridge. It's a protective thing they use to protect like your fridge, your appliances, your microwave, your washing machine. So I use that. It's like foam. Yeah, that white foam thing. I don't know what it's called, guys. So this is it, and I basically this is a cell phone box that I used. So I recently just sprayed, because this was bronze. I sprayed it bronze before, and I don't want it to be bronze anymore. I wanted it gold, so I spray painted it with this spray, and it looks amazing. I'm really excited to use it in other decor items. And I wanted to show you this, guys. I don't know if I've shown you, but I have a DIY that I want to do that is really important for me. Oh, I wanted to show you guys, I have a DIY that I really want to do, or I've been meaning to do for a really long time. I'm just lazy. I got this in my mom's backyard, you guys. It actually has a lid. I think it's a frame for a fan, you know, one of those fans, those old fans that used to like stay be on the roof. So I got these and I thought this was gonna be a beautiful tray when I get to DIY it, and that's basically why I got the spray paint. I haven't gotten to spray paint it yet, but I'm still using it as a tray at the moment, and I think it looks really nice. I'm excited on how it's going to look because I really want to put like a mirror inside of here. So yeah, this is my upcoming DIY, you guys. I'll let you know when I'm doing this. And I love refurbishing old stuff, guys. I love refurbishing antique things that have been thrown away. I see beauty in those things, and once I saw this, I knew I had to have it, and I had to restore it into something really amazing, something that I'll get to use in my home. And this is it. So I'm really excited about this, and I'll of course share with you guys when the DIY will be. And I think that is it for my home decor haul, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please join the family, you guys. Please subscribe to the channel and like my videos, and also leave a comment, guys. I respond to each and every one of your comments, and I love interacting with you guys. So thank you so much for seeing value in my channel and always subscribing. I'm really appreciative of that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.